We got us a surfboard and we got us an AR-15. He's got a 32 round clip and and I'll show you what a surfboard looks like after 32 rounds of AR-15. My name's Tanner. John Deere 330. Yeah, John Deere 330 signing out. Till next time. Mixer so that he can edit videos. Missed it by this much.
Yeah, I was aiming for that target on that 100. Did I even hit him? Yeah, I was aiming about right there by the liver. Yo, man. Talk that trash now.
But it just comes straight through it, then you blow the backside out.
Mama.
Yeah. Let's see what that 40 will do.
You don't hit it with the 40.
You don't think I hit that with a 40?
I know how you shot mine. And mine's better than yours.
Oh, Lord.
Thumb around back, yeah.
Can't get my damn belt loop like that.
Where are you trying to get in your belt loop, Stinky?
Huh? Put your finger in there and you hold it like that and pull forward on it.
Well, you can do that. I did it with my thumb. And then I just, you can do it that way. No, thumb around back. Just put your finger through like you were talking about doing.
Oh, you talking about putting it around like that?
Yeah, just like that. And hold the gun. And then you just...
I got these belt loops real tight.
It's called time for the next size pants up. Yeah. Just do it like you were going to do it and you'll be alright.
There goes nothing. And I can't even get my damn finger in my belt loop.
Anything?
Nope.
Don't like it. Nice. Don't like it.
See what you do is you take Alt-6 and you try to hit the back of that. Nothing. Oh, heck, we could sit behind you then. You'd have been safe over here. Now the pine tree over there and the pine tree over here is screaming.
Put 2 more rounds and try to hit stuff.
I did that one afternoon up here. Stuck shotgun shells on the end. Up here. Lined them up. Took 22s and shot the back of them. Then you'd hit the prime. Send it right on downrange.
Oh, gosh.
Funny to see.
Yeah.
Aim up. Yes. Aim up. You're hitting the tree and hitting the dirt.
Well, that ain't gonna work then.
That's right. I like that. I like that, man. They ain't no
Give it a
kick to
couple
that
quick
thing at all.
snaps.
That's what I was telling him.
Give it a couple quick snaps on it.
I like that.
But I've never shot it. I probably missed it.
Somebody tore him up.
Oh gosh.
We got one here, one there, there. I'm gonna go with my bets. That was Steve. Here.
He's the one killing deers, I ain't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. Y'all might have hit it then. 'Cause you shot about 4 or 5 times, and you shot it a couple times down here at it.
Well, that's
you know what's sad?
What?
Is people using your gun can shoot it better than you can. They picked his boogers, pierced his eyes, pierced his ears.
Oh, we didn't even look at it after a shot from the nipple or whatever.
Well, considering that you hit about that high on the tree in the dirt, I think my man was okay. On his knees or not, all by him.